Hello guys, what's up bitches? So today Drishni will do some sewing probably. I mean most of the work will be done by Master G, but I will sew some shirt. We'll be making a cosplay outfit from scratch in under 24 hours. So my bestie Shrishti gave me this idea of this very pretty cosplay outfit. It is basically the female version of Demon Slayer's Hashibira Inosuke. And I never watched this anime, and I literally don't watch anime. I'll be very upfront and honest with you, but I love making myself look like anything in this world. So why not, let's do it, right? And I can get this outfit, like I can make this outfit and upcycle some of my old clothes that I don't wear anymore and do something really cool, you know? So as you can see in the drawing, it is like it is a furry leg over there. And yeah, we don't have furry legs because I'm not an animal, but we have a furry jacket that I thrifted from Colaba in like 100 rupees, and I don't wear it anymore. So yeah, we'll be cutting off the sleeves of these and we'll make it a leg. You see? Looks right like. Wait, I'm gonna put more effort in the camera angle and show you. Yeah, as you can see, this goes up to my knee from here, and then we will need a panty that is also furry. And I don't have a furry panty, okay? But I'm Drishni, I can get anything in my wardrobe. So yes, I will give to the dealer the furry pants to make them with elastic, and I'm going to use this pink panty and I'll sew it myself with this fabric that I got from a skirt that I don't really wear anymore. It's a tulle skirt. We're gonna use that, we're gonna sew that. For the top, I'm going to cut this and this, as you can see, this is gone. I'll be using this nightwear for the top. I'll cut off the bottom part of this. I don't have scissors, so we're gonna use this. Okay, change of plans. As I can see, this has already become what I wanted, and I don't really need to spend on the tailor because it has an elastic because it was an arm. Yeah, basically I just saved myself a couple of bucks. This, but you know, over here, like, you know what I'm going for? Yeah, because I don't trust the process. Kids, trust the process. Okay, so we are going off to the tailor. Today there is no traffic. Wow, Island. These were the days. So I got this big piece of thermocol for the sword, and yeah, we'll be making the sword too because if we're cosplaying, we do it nicely. Yeah, so I successfully gave it to the tailor. And now we're gonna eat. Oh, we should go here. I won't show you who's with me because he doesn't want to be in the video. We got this. Cafe is really cute. There are all these flowers for those who want to see them. Oh my god, my hair. I told the tailor to hem that part. He was so confused. Oh my god, this is the same thing I... Yeah, so this is done. We're just gonna keep the pink bottoms as it is, and this is the top, and as you can see, this is done like this. I'm gonna do it like I'll wear nothing inside and then we'll work this out. And because I could not find the gems, the purple gems or crystal, I mean I do have real crystals but they won't work, right? So I got these fake stickers, put them on the waistline of this garter that I will be wearing, which is also in purple color. So we will rock the look. Cool. These are my crystals. Ooh. And it goes on here. Okay, instead of putting it over here because I think they will just come off, because this is net, I'll apply it over the net. Yep, and we are done. Ooh, I just love embellishing things on things, like, ooh, pretty. Now, it is time for the main thing that makes it a cosplay. Yay, we're gonna make a sword. Hi people, and before we do the sword, I have an Amazon package. And no, I'm not sponsored by Amazon. I bought things. You know, I buy it as a mirror. It is a wall sticking mirror. Yay, we got a mirror. Very demure. Yeah. I mean, this is like a mirror in a circus. I look fat and thin and everything, but what else did I expect? At least I can see. Okay, I drew a sword. We'll be making a sword out of a real... I mean, it's a knife. Oh, fuck. Wow! Wow! My house will be a mess after this. Okay, I think I can still fix this. Yeah! I'm good at cutting things. I was thinking of like 2 swords, but maybe like 1 sword is enough. I'll just do 1 sword, I'm done. Yeah, so the sword is done. Wow. And yeah, there was no fall in my place. Now I'll put duct tape over the handle. Yeah. I guess I need a duct tape on my mouth as well. You will be bored, so I won't do that.
That's saving from the horror.
Yay! So we done with the sword finally. Yeah, I kind of painted this in like a silver tone, but it looked more like pinkish and this handle looked more silver, so I just kept it this way. Yeah, we done with the sword. Ooh. And now it's time to wear the outfit. So we'll first wear this. Yay. Have to close the cameras. Okay, so this is how the top looks like. Yeah, as I'm showing just as much as the photo is, so now we go for the bottom. Yay, we are done with our outfit. I'll show you nice. Ooh.
何？お前はもう死んでいる。
Okay, I kind of fixed this with like duct tape and hot glue gun. Okay, yeah. This sword isn't swording. By the way, these are my furry pants that can't even be seen. Yeah. So we are done finally. Ooh, and okay, I think without the garter it would have looked so uncool, but now it looks like super cool. And of course with the sword it looks even more cool. A broken sword that nobody knows is a broken sword. I mean, it's very obvious it's a broken sword. Is it? I mean, it just looks like a design at this point, doesn't it? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more like DIY, something like, you know, more DIY-ish, something that you want to see, anything honestly, let me know down in the comments section. I know I haven't been consistent or uploading for a year and I know people forgot me, but in case you're watching this video and you remember me 2 years back, you remember how funny I was. Maybe I'm less funnier or more funnier, I have no fucking clue, but do like, share, comment and subscribe if you like this video. Love you guys, take care of yourselves, stay safe, and bye bye. This house has become a jungle.